Welcome to the video. It is round 4 of the Whiskey Garage Drift Series. We are headed down to the track right now. We're gonna get the pit set up, get the cars unloaded, and hopefully we can get on the podium today. Qualifying at least.
It's all wrong.
What?
You're supposed to be towing the 240 with Yoshi.
Bro, that thing wouldn't have made it, bro. That Tacoma was struggling to get that thing here, dude.
Was it really?
Yeah, it was bad.
You'd have just been all high RPM, just
in that 5,500.
All day.
All
just
day.
singing the tune. We're just sitting in the shade, waiting for practice to start at 5, staying hydrated, eating beef jerky. Well, we got a storm rolling in. I guess we got what I asked for. A little bit of wind and a little bit of rain, but maybe not this much. They're figuring out the track right now, and then we should have a driver's meeting in the next 15. Oh, there's Dan.
All my tire test videos, basically. It's a left-hander, Manji, left-hander, out to the wall. Really good for tandems.
It's still raining, and I have no windshield wipers. This will be the first time I've driven in the rain, so we'll see what happens. It's beautiful though. It's almost done raining. Get that entry right. Getting in my head for some reason. It's really good on tires too. everything. All right, we qualified, I think, 5th or 6th. Going against this E30, or this BMW. I have no idea what BMWs are. Going against that boy right there. Fucking raining, dude.
It's fucking raining, dude.
Bro, it's fucking raining, bro. So we're gonna call it a night. I qualified top 8, and then I looped it, and I'm pretty sure me and Sioko would have went to one more time if I wouldn't have looped it. So we're gonna pack it up, go drink a couple beers, relax. It's the weekend. I have not been relaxing.
I'm